Here's all the bars, chains, some mufflers, and here's the saw. There she is. They package this. There she is. They package that quite well, to be honest with you. They really do. They make sure it's all tidy and neat and safe. Serial number and everything. The build quality looks nice, guys. I mean, you get to actually see it on my phone, I think. This looks really nice. For the $240, I mean, come on, right? How can you beat that? No dog on it. I think they give us a dog. Yep, there's our dog right there. So we'll get this assembled up and we'll get some cutting on the dogs on quick here. They do give you the supplied tools to do so. I mean, I like my T-handles, but this is, you know, very doable. Yikes. Look at that though. Split case, magnesium split case. How can you beat that for $240? Kind of interesting. The 24-inch bar has like a Homelight kind of Echo style mount, and that looks like small mount Husky. I didn't confirm that, but that is like, if that's not small mount Husqvarna, I don't even know. But you can see they're different. They'll probably both work, but that's just something that I noticed with the 20 and 24 right there. They're both 3/8 058, so I don't know. Maybe we'll put the big one on first. Yeah, let's do that. It's got rim drive sprocket. You can see in there, rim drive sprocket. That's another professional series saw, you know, kind of a thing. And we've got full chisel, non-safety chain, and it is, like I said, it is the Tri-Link brand. You can see the 3 little circles above my finger here. Good chain. It's actually a good chain. So far, we're off to a really great start here. I'm going to throw the 24 on here. I got the dogs on. And love the muffler. Good job with that, guys. Doesn't even need any modification. So it's excellent. I'm looking forward to getting gas in this baby here. We're getting gas. So let's talk about this thing. We have a 24-inch bar on a 68cc saw. I don't know. People are arguing about the sizes of these things. I'm not honestly sure. So we're just going to say it's a 68. I know that there's contention in the chainsaw community. I've seen a lot of posts in some of the groups I'm in about that. But nonetheless, I think 62cc, whatever it is, I think it's going to pull a 2-foot bar just fine. I'm going to probably compare this to a couple of different saws that I have. But I mean, look at that. Guys, for the money, that's hard to beat. You know, it really is. So let's get it fired up. This is a big chunk of red oak. We're gonna do some noodling today. I think that'll be beneficial. Maybe some cross cuts, but definitely some noodling. So I got the handy dandy screwdriver there. We got it tuned right up because this is basically already muffler modded, full of gas. We'll primer it up and get this big hoss running here, if I can do this shooting. Yeah, there we go. She's starting to flow. You guys could see that. Okay, let's fire her up. Just give me my makeshift stand. This is the behind the scenes stuff that you guys never see, right? So again, I'm in a hurry. I'm trying to get a tripod. So like literally like this, I'm going to just set this right on top, just like a mouse trap there. We're going to set it just like that. That'll work plenty-ish. Yeah, maybe not. It's a little too big. The piece is too big. Okay. There we go. Let's fire her up. Got my handy dandy headphones here from ProYama. Yeah, I'll start it lefty so you guys could see. Oh, it's got like an easy start thing going on. I don't know if I like that. What? You guys saw that, right? We're talking $250. $250 with 2 bars and chains for that. I've ran brand name 60cc saws that did not run that good. I'm not even making that up. No, I'm just kidding. I love Husqvarna. Oh my gosh, $250. Now, it's going to be hard to beat, guys. I mean, wow. So, the rakers definitely need to get touched up. Trying to rip cut. Now, granted, that was a nasty crotch piece of oak. Cut good in regular wood, but yeah, you saw that. They got to get touched up. I'll spin you around here, hold on. So I've run this chain before. I think I talked to you guys about that before. I did hit a little bit somewhere. It's pretty decent yet too. Pretty decent yet, but she's gonna get filed. I'll touch up the rakerones. Yeah, there's a tooth. It got hit a little bit. I mean, it'll still cut. There's probably gonna be people who say, "Oh, that's fine." Well, that's okay for you. I like my chains to really cut. Obviously, she's got to get tightened up a little bit, and so. But wow, guys, holy cow, Pro Yama, you are, I mean, wow, that surprised me. So I do have I have a Neotech 6200. Some of you guys have seen that on the channel. But this is not a Neotech, guys. This is a Pro Yama, and I gotta tell you, this runs freaking great. Like, what the heck? $250. This is insane to me. How good that chainsaw. I didn't even put a screwdriver on it. I just fired it up and just screamed right out of the box, you know? I mean, it's muffler modded out of the box, but it's not even broken in yet. So we're running 42 to 1. I'm a little bit light there, I guess. Okay, anyway, I'll stop talking, guys. This is the Pro Yama, I guess, unboxing, first cuts. That's what we'll call it. It's, yeah, what a saw for the money. And so far, I like it. It does vibrate a bit. I mean, you know, you're gonna have that. It's not a, you know, it's not a $1,000 60cc saw. So, but highly recommend. Great job, Pro Yama. Thank you for sending this out to me, and I will definitely be making some more videos and running this baby. We'll have to put her through the paces in production doing some tree work. Thanks so for watching. It's just a short little video. We'll do some more stuff. Maybe we'll do a base gasket delete and stuff like that on the Pro Yama. Ralph Timber Tools. See you next time.